Ma'am,
Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon.
paper bag.
So we completed the table of 5 yesterday, and today let's start the table of 6. So you can write and study the table 6. Then after that we can move to the workbook. Okay. So please listen here. Let me share the screen. No need to write now. Now you can listen here. So here you can see 1 times 6. Now first line 1 times 6. So what is 6? Is equal to 6. So we can write 1 into 6.
Is equal to 6.
1 into 6 is equal to 6. This we already studied. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Now 6 plus 6, that is equal to 12. So 2 times 6. This we already know. 2 6 are 12. Now 3 times 6. This also we studied. That's better.
Ma'am,
Okay, now listen here. See, 3 times 6. So this also we studied. So is equal to 18. So 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Now 4 times 6, that is equal to, this we studied 24. So 4 into 6 or 6 into 4, 24. 5 times 6, this also we studied 30. 5 into 6 is equal to 30, or 6 into 5 is equal to 30. Now 6 times 6 is equal to 36. So 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Now 7 times 6, it will come 42. So 7 into 6 is equal to 42. Now 8 times 6 is equal to 48. So 8 into 6 is equal to 48. 9 times 6 is equal to 54. So 9 into 6 is equal to 54. Now 10 times 6, that is equal to 60. So 10 into 6 is equal to 60. So you can take your notebook, we can write together. Those who have already written, no need to write again. You can read the table, you mute your device and read the table. We can write together the table of 6. Now we can write the top table of 6. Now we can start. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 7 into 6 is equal to 42. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. 9 into 6 is equal to 54. 10 into 6 is equal to 60. Now 1 times 6, you can leave one column and write 1 times 6, that is 1 6 is 6. 2 times 6, or 2 6s are SIXES, are 12. 3 6s are 18. 4 6s are 24. 5 6s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 7 6s are 42. 8 6s are 48. 9 6s are 54. 10 sixes are 60. Sarah, please read the table.
Yes, ma'am. 1 into 6, 6. 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 6, 18. 4 into 6, 24. 5 into 6, 13. 6 into 6, 66. 7 into
6 into 6.
6 into 6, 6
36.
36. 7 into 6,
Hmm.
42.
Hmm.
8 into 6,
Hmm.
48.
Hmm.
9 into 6, 45.
And 9 into 6.
9 into 6,
Is it 45 or 54?
40, 54.
10 into 6.
10 into 6, 16.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is we have to write in our notebook.
In the notebook, you have to write. Prarthana, please start.
But I am joined now only.
You can start the table now. The right side you can write later. The table you can write now. Prarthana, please start the table.
Okay, ma'am. Please to read a Siddharth.
Prarthana, are you reading? Or let me call another one.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear.
1 into 6 is equal to 6. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 6 into 6 is equal to
3 into 6, 18.
18. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 7 into 6 is equal to 42. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. 9 into 6 is equal to 54. 10 into 6 is equal to 60.
Ivania, please start.
Yes, ma'am. I am writing 7 table of.
You continue, Ivania.
7 into 6.
1 into 6. 1 into 6.
1 into 6 equals 6. 2 into 6 equals 12. 3 into 6 equals 18. 4 into 6 equals 24. 5 into 6 equals 30. 6 into 6 equals 36. 7 into 6 equals 42. 8 into 6 equals 48. 9 into 6 equals 54. 10 into 6 equals 60.
Junaita Joshi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Riddhi.
I will call you Ritik.
One
Junaita, start.
time, ma'am said that
1 into 6, 6. 2 into 6.
2 into 6, 6. 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 6, 18. 4 into 6, 24. 5 into 6, 30. 6 into 6, 36. 7 into 6, 42. 8 into 6, 48. 9 into 6, 54. 10 into 6, 60.
Okay. Ritik.
Ma'am, my 7th completed table.
It's okay. It's okay. Ritik, you
1 into 6, 6. 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 6, 18. 4 into 6, 40, 24. 5 into 6, 30. 6 into 6, 36. 7 into 6, 42. 8 into 6, 48. 9 into 6, 55. 10 into 6, 60.
9 into 6.
40, 55. 54.
54.
10 into 6, 60.
Siddharth, please start.
1 into 6 completed. Can I read?
Siddharth, please start.
Complete. Can I read? 1 into 6, 6. 2 into 6, 12. 3 into 6, 18. 4 into 6, 24. 5 into 6, 30. 6 into 6, 36. 7 into 6, 42. 8 into 6, 48. 9 into 6, 54. into 6, 50.
Ayush.
Maria completed.
Ayush, please start.
You already completed. Can I read?
Ayush, please unmute and start. Can't unmute. Okay, please
Yes,
start.
ma'am. 1 minute.
Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read the table of 6.
1 into 6 is equal to 6. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 5 5 into 6 is equal to 13. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. 7 into 6 is equal to 42. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. 9 into 6 is equal to 54. 10 into 6 is equal to
Karthik.
60.
Karthik, please read the table.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Read the table of 6.
1 into 6, 6. 2 into 6, 12. 8 into 6, 18. 4 into 6, 5 into 6, 30. 6 into 6, 8,
36.
48.
7 into 6,
9
42.
into
8
6,
into 6, 48. 9 into 6.
54.
Hmm.
9
10.
into 6, 54. 10 into 6, 60.
Ayan, please start the
60.
table. Ayan.
Ma'am, one, one, one
Ah,
into 6 is 6.
ah.
2 into 6 are 12. 3 into 6 are 18. 4 into 6 are 24.
4
5 into
sixes are or 4
4
into 6.
4 sixes are 24. 5 sixes are 30. 6 sixes are 30. 36.
6.
7 sixes are 42. 8 sixes are 48. 9 sixes are 54. 10 sixes are 60.
Nakshatra.
Ma'am,
Nakshatra. Please read the table. Nakshatra. Others, please be quiet. Nakshatra, please start. 1 into 6.
Ma'am, I study. Ma'am, I finished. Can I read?
No. Nakshatra, please start. 1 into 6. 6. 2 into 6. 12. 3 into 6. I can't hear.
Ma'am, he is not telling.
He is telling. Please be quiet. 3 into 6. Louder, Nakshatra, louder. Very good. You have good voice. 3 into 6.
3 into 6 equals 18.
4 into 6.
Equals 24.
5 into 6.
Equals 30.
6.
6 into 6 equals 36. 7 into 6 equals 42.
8 into 6.
The second completed.
Okay. 9 into 6. 54. 10 into 6. 60. Okay, Risa, please start. Risa, please start. Later, I will give you a chance later. Okay, Risa, please start. 1 into 6. 1 into 6, 6. 2 into
Ma'am.
6. You have the network issue. 3
1 into 6 equals 6. 2 into 6 equals 2. 8 equal 24. 5 6 into 6 equal 36. 7 into
6.
6 equal 42. 8 into 6 equal 48. 9 into 6 equal 40. 54. 10 into 6 equal 16. Ma'am.
Okay, now I will give you a chance later. Now you can take your workbook. Please take your workbook. Page number 16. You can write and study the table 5 times. The same page you can see on the screen also.
Ma'am, part 2.
Yeah, part 2. Part 2 to page number 16.
Ma'am, Sarah is the
Workbook, workbook, workbook. Ah,
Ma'am, Sarah, the table of the 7, everything.
very good, very good. Those who know the table of 7, very good. But we have to study only 6, up to 6. Okay. Now we can move to the. Enough, enough. Okay, good, good, very good, very good. You are very good children. Okay. Now let's move to this multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Okay. Add and write the number of objects. Add and write the number of objects. So here we have the first one, a number of cones. Marin, number of cones. What's the answer, Marin? We can see a group of 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2. What's the answer?
6.
6. Option C, 6. Write C inside the bracket. Manav, please unmute and tell me. Number of tires. See, it is asked number of tires, not cycles. So one cycle having 2 tires. How many cycles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 tires are there. So 9 times 2. What's the answer?
8.
And
18.
18. Option B, 18. Very good. So write B inside the bracket. Okay, Manav. Good boy. Now, Arathi, please unmute and tell me the next one. Okay. Number 3. Number of tails. Arathi, where are you? Number of tails. How many tails are there? One giraffe having 1 tail. So like that to 4. So 4 times 1. What's the answer? 4 times 1.
4 tails. 4 tails, ma'am.
4 tails. Option A, 4. We know the multiplication table, then it is very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's move to page number 17. See, I'm going to unmute all. Don't call me. I will call out your name. That time you please unmute and talk to me. Okay, let's move to page number 17.
All the tables.
Very good. Now number 17, page number 17. I said no, all are good children. You know the tables. Very good. Now here we have refer to the picture and answer the questions given here. You can see the groups and each group having some number of houses also. So here number 4, question number 4. Question number 4. Now the first question, how many groups are there in the picture? Henry, unmute and tell me, how many groups are there in the picture?
3, 12.
How many groups?
3. 3.
Only 3 groups. I can say 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there, no? Option A, 4. There are 4 groups. Write capital A inside the bracket. I already told to you, please mute your device. I will call out your name. That time, please unmute and talk to me. Okay. Now, number 5. Austin, please unmute. How many objects or how many houses are there in each group? Each group having how many houses? How many houses?
12.
Oh, is it a 12? Each group, one group having how much? One group having how much houses? Austin.
3.
I asked Austin. Why others are telling the answer? One group having, each group, one group having how many houses, Austin? Count. 1, 2, 3.
3.
There are 3. So option C, 3. Now we have number 6, question number 6. Okay. Now, how many objects are there in total? So here we know there are 4 groups
12.
and each group having 3. So 4 times 3 or 4 into 3. What is 4 into 3, Krishna Priya? 4 into 3 or 4 times 3.
4 to 3.
12. 12. Yes. So you can put a tick mark for option B, 12. Write capital letter B inside the bracket. Now fill in the blanks. Question number 7. In repeated addition, comma, we put the objects into dash groups.
we put the object
We in repeated addition, we put the objects into dash groups to find their total. What's the answer, Megdarsh? Will you tell me the answer? We will put the objects into Megdarsh. In repeated addition, we put the objects into dash groups. No. In repeated addition, we put the objects now into you forgot I then equal groups. See, we put the number of objects equal. Each group having same number. So in repeated addition, we put the objects into equal groups to find their total. Who is in repeated addition, we put the objects into equal groups to find their total. Now, next we have refer to the picture and fill in the blanks. And here you can see there are groups, then each group having some number of apples. And the question is there in the next page only. So please take a page number 18. Now, the total number of objects in the given picture. So let's move to once again the page number 17. So let me ask Rishan, Mohammed Rishan, how many groups are there? How many groups are here?
4.
There are 4 groups. So each group having how many apples?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Each group having how many apples?
4.
4. Each group means one group having how many apples? Okay. So 4 groups are there and 4 group having 4 each. So 4 into 4. What is answer? 4 times 4.
4.
1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are
4, 4, sir. 16.
16. Very good. So let's move to the next page and we can write the total number of objects in the given picture is 16. Now, question number 9. The number of groups. How many groups are there, Rishan?
Number of groups 4.
Very good. So the total number of objects in the picture is 16. The number of groups 4. Now again, very short answer questions refer to the picture and answer the questions.
Ma'am,
You can
that is
see there are
for
3 groups and each group having some number of sheep. Let's move to question number 10. Adinath, please, when you'll tell me the answer. Write the number of sheep in each group. How many sheep are there in each group, Adinath? How many sheep are there?
5.
Each group.
3 groups.
3 groups are there. How many sheep are there in
5.
each group?
5.
5. Okay. Now, you told me there are 3 groups. Huh? And 5 are there. In each group, 5 are there. So, 3 into 5, what's the answer? Adinath, 3 into 5. 1 into 5, 5. 2 into
9.
5, 10. 3 into 5?
9.
Huh? 1 into 5, 5. 2 into 5, 10. 3 into 5. 3
13.
3s are 9. 3 5s are?
12.
15. So the total number of sheep is 15. See, listen, I will write once again. Please listen. See, here it is asked, write the total number of sheep. So first group having 5, second group having 5, third group having 5. That means here we can see 3 times 5. That is equal to 15. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
One more question is here. How will you read the given picture? We already told there are 3 groups, each group having 5. So the total number is 15. So how we will read this? How many groups are there?
4.
How many groups are there?
4. 15.
No. Sheep only I
Times
asked.
5.
How many groups are
3
there?
times 5.
How
3
many?
times 5.
Adinath, how many groups
4.
are there? Adinath,
4.
who is telling 4? I didn't complete.
3.
3 groups. Okay, so we can write here 3 groups of how many object in each group?
5.
3 groups of 5 is, what's the answer? 15.
15.
3 groups of 5 is 15.
Ma'am, complete. Ma'am,
Okay.
identify the number of groups in the following
Now,
picture. Count the number of
Adela,
dots in each group.
did you complete the
Write the
answer?
total
3
number
groups of
of
5 is
groups
15.
in the picture.
3 groups of 5 is 15.
Finish.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, already finished.
Okay, John Judy. Adelan, let's move to 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please listen. Identify the number of groups in the following picture. So, John Judy, how many groups are there?
4 groups.
So we got the first answer, a number of groups. So we can write here, number of groups. Number of groups is equal to 4. Okay. Now the next question. Count the number of dogs in each group. Each group having how many dogs, Johan? Each group having how many dogs?
6.
6. Okay, let's write. Number of, I will give you time, you don't worry. Number of dogs in each group. Equal to 6.
6.
Now we have to find the total number of dogs. So there are 4 groups, no? So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 4 times 6. What's the answer? 4 times 6. Just now only we completed in the fourth table also it is there. 6 into 4 or 4 into 6. What's the answer? 4 into 6 or 6 into 4. What's the answer? 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s
20.
are
24.
very good. 6 4s are 24 or 4 into 6 is equal to 24. So we can write the next line. Total number of dogs.
Number of
6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 4 into 6 is equal to 24. The remaining questions we will continue in the next class. So you can complete the answer. 4 into 6 is equal to 24.
Number.
If you want to continue, you have only one period now. So you can continue. If you want to continue, you can continue after the class
Number
also. And you
of
can check your answer in the next class.
Number of dogs.
4 into 6 is equal to 24.
Number of dogs. 6.
table of 7 can I write in homework?
Wait. I want to tell you one thing. Let them complete the answer.
Total
Number of groups, 4.
dogs.
Number of dogs in each group, 6. Total number of dogs, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That means 4 times 6. That is equal to 24. Yes,
Ma'am, we
Johan.
have to write 6 plus 6 plus 6.
You can write. In beginning, we can write like that. After some time, it will come automatically, the multiplication. So this time you can write a 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That only 4 into 6.
Ma'am, Agnes completed.
Okay. Now I want to tell you one thing. See, I'm giving you one activity. What's the activity, you know? You have to take 1/4 of a chart paper. Not a full chart paper or half chart paper. 1/4. If you are cutting into 4 pieces, 1 piece. 1/4 of a chart, you have to take, draw the border line, and the top you can write a multiplication tables. And you have to write neatly the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you have to show me on Wednesday. Coming Wednesday only you have to show. And one more thing.
Could you send this in the group?
I will send in the group. Let me complete. Let me complete. Okay.
For full.
Just now is 1/4. Half is also not needed. Half you can again cut into 2. So you will get 1/4. Now listen. Please be quiet. Let me complete. Who is working there? Okay. So you have to write all the tables in the chart. You have to write in a big size. See why we are doing this, you know. This you have to show me on Wednesday. After showing this chart, you have to paste on your on the wall of your study room. Every day you have to revise it. You got it? Why we are doing like this?
Yes.
You can write in the 1/4 of a chart paper, so the letters will be little more bigger, so that you can paste on the wall. Then every day you have to revise it. Then it will be pakka for you. So sorry, by Wednesday you can make and show me. By Wednesday.
Please send the
What we should make, ma'am? Share the message after the class, in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
And one more thing. Today we took the table of 6, write and study 5 times.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
I will send it in the WhatsApp group. So thank you for joining. We'll meet you.
Bye, ma'am.
Total.